charm is abundant in this 1891 historically registered home. Completely rebuilt in 2005 and updated in 2017, within walking distance of the town square, this home is a true beauty. The full-length front porch welcomes you into this move-in ready home. The kitchen with new matching SS upgraded appliance package is as beautiful as it is functional. Custom cabinetry with soft close drawers and gorgeous granite opens to the large great room. Thanks to newer windows, HVAC and hot water heater, the home has consistent low running costs.